Hi, all the viewers of Behind Notes. This is Papri Ghosh, and I am here to welcome you today. He wanted me for this role. He just told me you should do it, Papri. Vijay sir is in front of you, no? You don't have to do anything. On screen, he was really very good actor. We all know. He did that step so easily, so smoothly, and he didn't do any rehearsal. How was the experience like hugging the superstar? I was like. It's like I just went to the Vijay production ka office, and Vardhan sir he saw me and he just liked me for this role. He offered me. First I was thinking because before this I have done lead and all, so I was a little awkward, little hesitated whether to do it or not. But he was so happy with me. Means he wanted me for this role. He just told me you should do it, Papri. We will go places. I'm not in the editing table, so I can't say in that way, but yeah, I have some 6-7 scenes along with one song with them. So yeah, that's nice one. Not exactly, though a little part I played with him, but it wasn't called as proper dance. But yeah, there's like very little portion of dance in that song. It's like more romantic song. It's like when Vijay sir is in front of you, no, you don't have to do anything. You just have to let him lead you. He leads the girl so well that you don't need to do anything. Off this end, I don't know. Off screen, I can tell you. On screen, he was really very good actor. We all know. And off screen also, he was like so friendly, so frank all the time. And best thing that he is like so down to earth, literally down to earth. I mean to say, okay, one day we were like all sitting on the set only, and suddenly we saw he was like there was a mat, like really dusty one, not very clean and all. He was sitting on that. After then we were like, okay, like big star, he must be moody right now, he is in different. Suddenly we saw that he lied down on that. So it was like awe moment for us, like how can he do like that? So yeah, he is literally down to earth person. It's not actually village based like that kind of thing. Yeah, village ka one big portion is there, city ka also one big portion is there. So it's like not typically village, not typically city based film. It's both combination ka. Nice commercial, like story based nice movie. I literally saw him doing that dance in that romantic song. Though it was like very small, he was like going for like double speed, and he did that step so easily, so smoothly, and he didn't do any rehearsal. Okay, he just saw them the assistant doing, and then he just came and he did it with so great ease. I was like, oh. Yeah, he is good, really good dancer. We shot this song like marriage kamandapam kind of yeah, that concept of song we shot. It was shot in Manapakam, that area only in Chennai, and that was really shot. Means the way they decorated that hall, that became like something like very posh. Like it was feeling like it's as if really the marriage is happening. So posh it was. So yeah. It's nice. There was a shot like means we were hugging, that kind of shot. So after that, means we just went out. I was also very casual, but the way the other artists and all, they came and they started asking me how was the experience like hugging the superstar. I was like, that was very funny. There was a phone cut. Means for me and him, means we were supposed to, though he wasn't there in the shot, but I was teasing him over the phone, so that was like, I could imagine how he will be reacting from his side. Means literally he helped me with that, I'm gonna give this kind of thing, this kind of talk and all. So you have to match up to that level so that it becomes really funny and like nice scene. It's like a 1960s ka based. Means it's like about Christian families, so all the looks are very nice, and it's literally like Sherlock Holmes kinda that genre of film. So it's definitely is gonna come out very well, because when we shot, means we, after getting our makeup and hair and dress all this done, we were like, we couldn't recognize each other. It was like so different. So yeah, that's literally, I'm excited about that. No, he is a very good human being, but spatially, like something he has done, what I can do and I want to do, hasn't happened yet. But yeah, he spoke to me about like how he was very inspired by Satyajit Ray, and he has worked there also in Bengal, as I am Bengali, so that the chemistry we were developing. And moreover, in that movie, like Kamalini Mukherjee is there, who's like me and her, we are like on screen elder, means she's elder sister, I'm younger, and off screen also we were having, like we were talking Bengali, we were having that kind of like sister wala feeling and everything. So it was in that movie also, like Mahanakshatram se I'm playing the lead, though the hero is new, but the whole team is like, normally what happens when I start some movie, after that the team becomes my friend, but for this film the team was my friend, that's why we all started this project. This film's only one like mentor for all of us is Madhubala ma'am. She is playing a crucial character in this, very important character. She is like teacher for all of us, because we we are like all the time whiling around. It's just when we have to do the shot, we will go and do the shot. After that, hey machi, let's do that, let's do this. We are like this only. For me, it was like working with any senior actor or any good big actor is that whenever they come on screen, I always maintain that I should be there for their close-up. Whether I am there in the shot or not, I try to be there just to learn how they're acting. There is so much scope to learn from that. So like when they're giving, means when we are doing some master shot, that time they will be like, okay, let's do all the things, this ho gaya. But when we come they come for some session shot or close-up shot, anything, they will be like always 1 or 2 notch above than that. So yeah, from that, like learning so only you can, like seeing them only you can learn so much things. That will be too much. I never did dub for myself. I can speak the language, that's enough. The Bengali ponnu evalo kashtapaddi Tamil kattakiradu iche okay whatever. So please, I can't do dubbing like right now, but yeah, I'm trying to learn it more and more. Means so better it should be my Tamil that I can do my own dubbing. I'm waiting for that day. This happened earlier when I was shooting with Vijay sir's dad, A.C. Chandrasekhar sir, for my first film in Tamil, Touring Talkies. That time it happened. Like I used to say, like my dialogue was something and I used to say something else only. I never used to like understand what I am saying. But later they used to, like the moment I said, everyone used to be like, what she saying? She really said that. So now it's like, yeah, I know what I'm saying. It's not like that bad. Maybe little grammatical mistake is there, but it's not that bad. Okay, the meaning will be totally changed. There was a scene with Satish and Vijay sir and YG Mahendra and my mom and me, all the things. So it was like supposed to be a very family kind of shot, but as Satish sir was there, he made it. He did his comedy part. It was like suddenly he did, and I didn't know for the first shot what happened. I didn't know that he is like trying to make it comedy. So I literally, genuinely, he asked me something very stupid, and very genuinely, stupidly, I answered very nicely for that. Later, everyone was like, cut. Why she said so nicely answer to Satish ka mukka joke. I think it's gonna be Pongal release, but it's like at the end of the day, Vijay production and Vardhan sir, they are only the. I don't know whether I put so much of effort in that way or not, but in that song I was the bride. So yeah, getting ready each and every day, like with so much of thing. Like for more than me, I used to feel sad for the girl who used to do the mehndi thing at all, because it used to be like up to this for both the hands, and it was literally like both sides. It's not like 1 hour I'm sitting like this, she's also doing like this continuously. So yeah, that part was like, I used to feel power about that girl. Right now this 3 I am doing, and after that let's see. I'm doing 3, how many more I have to sign at the same moment. Yeah. Hi all, please do Behind Words for more this kind of stories, so that you can be up to date with the latest gossip of Kollywood.
நான் ஒன்றும் பிச்சை எடுக்கல, நான் உழைச்சி சாப்பிட்றேன் கை காலை வச்சு. எனக்கு பண்ண மாதிரி இனிமேல் தயவுசெய்து யாருக்கு பண்ணாதீங்கன்னு நான் ஒரே எச்சரிக்கை மட்டும் விட்டுக்கிறேன்.